6705 Painted Canyon. As you can see, we're on a cul-de-sac here towards the end. We have these little blocks of pavers. We have all of these screens on this side of the house, but this side of the house doesn't get sun. It's a north-facing house, so I'm not sure that we need it, although it is really nice to have the screen door. So we have 2.5-inch forward blinds throughout a lot of the downstairs, not all of the downstairs though. We're missing 2 windows. They're not the white that we typically do. The color on the walls has a little bit of a peachish pink to it, which is not the color we normally do, but it looks like it's in good condition. Moving into this room, I don't know if it's lighting or I don't know if the paint color really changed, but I don't see the peach pink color in this room. So these windows, the 2 on this wall and the 2 on this wall, and possibly this one, we need the property manager's opinion on that one, we need the 2.5-inch forward blinds. So we don't have a space saver microwave installed. They have a tiny little microwave over there. This is a pretty small kitchen. Now we do have a gooseneck already installed, and although it's laminate in person, it actually looks okay. It looks like it's well kept, so that makes a big difference in how it shows. So this is great. Since this is the south side, we're gonna get a lot of the morning and the evening sun. So we have this patio cover. The grass may have to be replaced. It has a storage shed. We want to make sure they take the grill with them. The property manager will tell us if we want to leave these screens. So, you know, because the patio cover, we don't really need them on most of the windows, but we'll get their expert opinion. Nice Hunter fan. And I don't normally like the look of these types of lights, but they're designer and it matches this light for the most part, which seems to fit decently with this light and with that light. So there's a little bit of flow. So we have silverish chrome brass. Not sure if it matters, just pointing it out, let someone else decide. They did paint over the hinges on these cabinets, but it's a laundry room. I don't think that will ever matter. I believe the fridge does convey with the property. It doesn't really add too much value. We do have the earthquake straps on that washer. Overall, I think this property has a nice feel to it. It feels like a home to me. Upgraded lighting fixture. So right at the top of the stairs we have double doors leading to the master. We need to replace these blinds. I'm not quite sure what to do with that window at the top because it's not just an arch, so I'm not sure how to fit that. Carpet's not in the best condition, but we'll get the property manager's opinion on whether it's okay for now. Cute faucets, cute light fixture. Pretty standard. So this master and bedroom door handle does not lock. We have tile. Cabinets look fine. Nice water fixture and light fixture. The shower rod is like screwed into the wall, so it's definitely not going anywhere anytime soon. Upgraded light fixtures. We need blinds in this room. We have closet guides on those. We need blinds. I think there's a cat smell. I didn't notice it the first time I was in this house. If there is a cat smell, then we would want to rip up this carpet. I didn't smell it downstairs, and I didn't smell it in the master. But they are burning, or they do have scents going, so. We have dealt with houses with cat pee. Takes a little bit more of an investment, but this property doesn't have a lot to do anyway, so.